Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tiramisu truffles. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, 1 package of Ladyfingers, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Don't forget to brew some strong espresso and have a tablespoon of coffee liqueur ready. Making sure your mascarpone is at room temperature will help achieve a perfectly smooth mixture. Next, let's prepare our truffle mixture. Take about 24 Ladyfingers and crush them thoroughly until they resemble fine crumbs. In a separate bowl, beat 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of strong espresso and 1 tablespoon of coffee liqueur, ensuring everything is well combined. Now it's time to bring everything together and shape our truffles. Add the crushed Ladyfinger crumbs to your mascarpone mixture and mix until a thick, pliable dough forms. Then, using your hands, roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Place these delightful little spheres onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Finally, refrigerate them for a minimum of 2 hours to ensure they firm up perfectly. For the grand finale, let's coat our tiramisu truffles. Once thoroughly chilled and firm, roll each truffle in a generous amount of unsweetened cocoa powder until fully coated. For an extra touch of elegance, you can drizzle them with a bit of melted dark chocolate. These delicious treats are now ready to be enjoyed. They can be served immediately or stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.